What's going on, YouTube? Poloponics coming back with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Spider Farmer SF1000. Now I have went ahead and cracked the box for easier removal. Let's go and get this bad boy out. Okay, first things first, here's your manual. Utilizes a full spectrum Samsung LM301B top bend diodes. You can daisy chain up to 12 of these and dim them all with just one dimmer, which is pretty cool. Max footprint is a 3x3. Personally, I just stick with the 2x2, which is what it's really made to cover. But there's the manual, your light hanger, your daisy chain cords. Here's your power cords, nice and wrapped. It does use a mean well driver, which is always good. Here's your on and off switch, nice and sturdy. Dimmer knob, nice and sturdy. Now plug it in. See what we're working with here. Wow, even dimmed down all the way down. This is bright. Let's go to 100. Halfway there, and boom. Look at that. Aren't those diodes just so pretty? Oh yeah, this will be in the veg tent. As for the flower tent, you know what it is, it's Team Optic. Yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing. If any of you guys have used this or something similar from Spider Farmer, maybe a little bigger, leave a comment, let me know how you like it. We're going to do a giveaway at 800 subscribers. We're so close. So if you see this, you're not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button. Leave a like, maybe a comment. Alright guys, this is Poloponics with my video review / unboxing. Peace.